Hi students, now I am here to explain about starvation topic. In continuation of our previous class, first we will discuss about the starvation. So in our previous class we have discussed about priority scheduling algorithm. In that algorithm there is some problem arised. That problem is known as starvation. Starvation is a condition where a process does not get the resources it need for a long time because the resources are being allocated to the other processes. If we observe here are the some processes given, and those processes for burst times are these, and next one is priorities. So here priorities are given. Let us see in which situation starvation will occur. So first if you process the CPU process the process P3 because of its priority is P1, priority is 1. So if you observe 0 and P3 process and here
1.
The next priority is 2 for process P2. Here we can see process P2, its burst time is 10. So 10 plus 3 equals to 13, and next priority goes to process P4, and its burst time is 15. So 15 plus 13 equals to 18, and next priority goes to P1, its burst time is 24. 24 plus 18 equals to 32. 42.
1.
So process P1 total burst time is 42. So this is the fourth priority. If we observe here, the process P1 has to wait until the remaining processes will complete. If another process will come and join here with another priority, first priority, then again the P1 process has to wait until the P5 process will execute. So in that situation the CPU does not allocate the resources to the P1. So in that situation this situation is known as starvation. So this situation
1.
So it means the process P1 is hunger with CPU or resource allocation. This situation is known as starvation. To overcome this situation or to overcome this problem, so here another method is there, that is aging. So to overcome this problem we go for another CPU scheduling algorithm. That CPU scheduling algorithm is known as round robin scheduling algorithm. Next we will go for another session with round robin scheduling algorithm.